National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Rockwall County in north-central Texas, northern Johnson County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, Collin County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from North Fort Worth, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Multiple 60 miles per hour wind gusts have been reported with this line. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Rowlett, Euless, DeSoto, and Bedford. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Significant